case you don't remember, or maybe you are lost in your memory, this is the month of problem between me and Rose Ahmed. This is my month of jubilation from November 27. This is month of success, overcoming, that I will never forget. Not even in a hurry, I will never forget it. November 27. So if I am seizing this opportunity to talk to or attend to any other case, it's just a steal of time. I am stealing from our anniversary time. I am the first and the only man who succeed the manipulation of an African woman or white woman in the world. The only person. Not even you that is watching me that survive it. I am the only man that the woman has called police on with a witness, standby witness, that survive it. Yes. When Rose and Uche called me police, Uche stood to give witness, evidence, statement, not just talking. It was written in the system. The same statement that I want to buy them, two of them. And to God be the glory, I become the only man who succeeded. Not like who win after interrogation. Not like who they released. If they have arrested me and released me, it would have been like, okay, after much investigation. So, and why I was making those videos, in my big platform which Rose is in control of. So Rose started deleting all those videos. Rose deleted them. Then yesterday, luckily I found one video online. You know, as we are posting, people are quickly reporting, as in reposting rather. So yesterday I saw a video where Rose was kicked out of the house by me, not by the police, by me, and I posted it. Village not good. The whole thing they find to buy, and I must go sit. And I posted it. Some idiot, even though they see the truth, they know they were there, they just want to talk. But me too, I feel like talking now. They say, okay, Shebi, now you say then kick Rose out. This one now is when police follow Rose to come and pick something. She na high na for take kick am out. She na hammer for take kick am out. Which I know you people know the truth. But I am here because it's season of Rose. I'm here to repeat it. So what happened? Before I repeat itself. I want to let you know if I'm a content creator. Rose matter is enough for me to do content for the rest of my life and be making money. Yes. So whatever you want to say, I don't care. At least I'm alive making the content. Let Rose also come out and use it to make content. What is she going to use in making content? So I'm the winner. I can use it to make content. I wish I would get with and define for me. So hello.
Hi.
If something happened to you, use and make content. Now your story. So it's my story. Before you use and make content, first go make it happen to you. They look for what I want to buy for my girlfriends in Africa. It's not easy to be a big man or you want to marry many women or friend many. You must make all of them happy, otherwise they'll just give you one small poison drink one day, make you rest. So now, back to the story. So when Rose and Uche, her young boyfriend, did what they do, that wasn't the issue, whatever they do. The fact remains that I am not useless. If I was a useless man doing what most of you agree to be doing with your wives here in abroad, nobody will hear what happened between me and Rose. Because it's what 95% are doing. But me, because I'm a special person, I disagree. Catching your wife or girlfriend cheating is not an offense. It's not even what will trigger a relationship not to work, according to many people. Because many women in this abroad, I repeat, if you like, count yourself, Jonah. Many women in this abroad, their husband don't catch them on top of bed. The marriage not end because the woman get the power. Many girlfriends, their boyfriend don't catch them on top of bed. The friendship not end because the women are providing. So in the name of money, in the name of power, people take nonsense. Me, I don't take nonsense. That's why I'm special. So that one you must know first. Say one, not be stranger catch us. When you say na stranger leak and two, nobody know when I recorded them. So I mean to bring it back to the public. I mean to dismiss Rose. I mean to say no. It has been a long time be trying to kick the woman out until she got pregnant and give birth. I forgive her and I welcome her again. I've never been happy in that relationship. I didn't enter with my clear eye. So also I will not also go out with my clear eye. So everything will end anyhow. So now, when Rose called police, as stupid as she is and people that plan it with her, they just let her know say na woman get power for abroad. Get power, now they just tell her. Say you can kick him out. Bastards, no wahala. One, let me tell you, I know God is on my side. But one, she forgot that she is illegal to start with in the Netherlands. Two, she's in the asylum. So you being in asylum and your address is there and you are living with me, you don't have any strength. I did not register you in my address. I did not marry you. There's what they call living together. We are not cohabiting together. You see where God they helping children. So nothing connects me with Rose. Rose is just like a stranger who carry children, come greet him boyfriend, and the boyfriend is the owner of the children. So when there is quarrel, you can even tell that girl, say, come out from my house middle of the night. Now beg police will they beg you, provided they not meet you, say you they brutalize them. And even though they brutalize the woman, you will take your offense. That doesn't mean they will allow the woman to also to take your house or stay with you. They can arrest you, take you off, but they will also tell the woman, you can pack your load now and go to your camp or your house or your address. So that one Rose not know, but she was just gallivanting. So they do what they did. What happened that fateful day? Not be that day the thing start. Rose don't do me many things. And I understand, say she want call police. The way she can't, they stubborn, they talk back at me, they shout, just they cry without knowing what is happening to her. And she's not listening to me. And I have saw her kiss Uche for my present, but she didn't know I was coming in the kitchen. She kissed Uche. I not talk, oh. Wait till I want talk because I want catch am well, so that I go drag am well, I go drive am well. So my eye is not recording. My eyes doesn't record. So I need something that the community, the human beings, will check and see. So when I saw her kiss Uche, she know I saw her vividly. But she said no, she can't give Uche, make help and load this thing. He denied, and I cannot shout to the people, say, Mona, come, oh, I don't catch Rose. So I kept quiet. So let's forget the story in a long story. Now, when Rose brought police, Amina announced to the police, to start with, Rose is not here with me. She's not registered here. I don't know her. As in what I mean, I don't know her. She's not recognized here. We are not living together. We are not married. And her address is not here. Now that time police can go meet her, make it where she hide there. Go where she hide for inside that place. Police can go meet her, make it. It's like Police went and reconfirmed her identity. Police now come back. It's okay. She's not registered here. Then police now start to settle the matter, telling me because of the tension now, they will take Rose to hotel. So tomorrow they will bring her back. That is when I said no. I said no. I said to the police, listen, if the time when Rose called Luna, this is the house, my house. And I said, Rose, listen, the time when Rose called Luna, it was gonna meet me for house, for not arrest me, they keep quiet. I said, so if I accept Rose now, and I'm around, Rose now call you people later or any day, and you now meet me at home, will you arrest me or not? They kept quiet. And I answered the question by myself. I said, listen, the reason why you guys are not arresting me now, I just came back from work in your presence. And you people saw that I was not at home, that this woman lied. And to God be the glory, I came back from work right here in your presence. Since they are not answering the question, I told them, that is why you people did not arrest me now. That you just find that this woman just lied. I said, this woman should not enter my house. Take her away, as in where you are taking her to, she should not come to my house. So that I am the one that kicked her out. And I will still find that video because I saw it one time online. When Rose was going that very day, he now started to swear for himself. Say, you kick me and the children, I should not be well with you. And I laugh. You that wanted to kick me to the prison, who will go carry the cost? Then they now took Rose away. That is 27th of November 2024. They now took Rose away. Then on the 28th of November, I was at work. Police now called me that they are coming to take the remaining things of Rose, luggage and all that. And I told them not to enter my house if I am not there, that I don't want Rose to go with some of my things. Already, Rose don't already carry my telephone. No. And I said, I don't want Rose carry my telephone, my whatever they call the iPhone earpiece as well, wireless. That is the only one I realized that time. And I said, nobody should enter there without me being around. They say, okay, how many hours are you coming? I said, because of them, I can come in 1 hour, not that I'm done with job. They say they will wait. We now fix time. And I actually come in 1 hour. Police now came. Police again now approach me. Different police, so now approach me again, say, if I haven't calmed down, if Rose can come now, as in to come and live with me. And I said no again. That is when they now went upstairs to park. And I said, I'm going with them. I don't want Rose to steal my something. So when I got to upstairs, me and Rose were exchanging words. Police now tell me to come downstairs. That is when you see I was singing and I was telling the police they should help Rose to pack everything. Rose should not come back here, and I'm going to change the key of my door. So who now kick each other out? If I tell in presence of police, tell police they should help Rose to pack everything. I don't want Rose to come back here, and I'm going to change my key. And I was singing, thanking God for saving me. That was I, not even the police. I kick Rose out of my house. Police don't have the jurisdiction over me to tell me who to stay in my house and who not to stay. That is also as a result of I did not register Rose in this house. More videos are coming. I'm going on internet to search for more. The one that very day that Rose was swearing for her family, say I kicked her out. She said it with her mouth. The thing is that I kicked Rose out. She wanted to kick me out. I finally, hey, come on, Langley cousin, eh?
Yeah.
Boy, that's good. Goed, ik zou jou on TikTok of zo?
Ja.
Lang geleden, hè?
Ja, ik zei hoi.
Ja, ik zei hoi ook. Hoe is het?
Goed.
Mooi, that's good. Yeah. So, that is it. That very first day, she was crying. You see crocodile tears. You see why we don't have a good country. Mostly women. when women do something wrong, they will start to cry. People will start to support them. People will start to feel for them. That is why we don't have country called Nigeria. We don't have country. Oh. We don't have country. People judge you by how you cry. They side you by how you cry. When you start to cry, Nigerians will just carry the matter, give you, say you win, you win, you win, when you start to cry. So, the same Rose started crying. And if I listen to her cry that day, probably me too go cry, okay, I forgive you. Not knowing that this Rose don't already cut my enemy neck. Everywhere, both Nigeria, both everything, nobody will know. That is why as a man, if you make up your mind that you are done, be done. Don't go back. That is second journey of Mogo Park, or what they call it. Second journey of Mogo Park. The woman was crying after the atrocity, crying here, you just... I said, go away. Behold, she has already planned everything. Behold. So, listen and listen very good. I am not a useless man. I am not a desperado. If I am useless like some of you, I will not, if I did not say what happened, we'll continue. I will not say what happened. No 2 years we hear. I go to match and they go after her. She's not a virgin, but I am a very disciplined person and I know what I want. Don't have wife than to have a useless wife. Don't have husband than to have a useless husband. What is good in Rose Amen compared to me? What should I be missing in her? That when I catch her or I say no, it have to be yes. Be a man. Oh, one thing is that when you are a man, you are able to cater for your family and yourself. No woman can step on your toes. Your yes will be your yes. They will respect your yes. So those mumu, when they ask question for that video, I think I don't tell you now. Now Rose no wake up say they go not ready to come out, even though if she was able to kick me out. Now me kick him out. He did that video, present of police. I will still go look for another one online now. Those bloggers when a blog and at their line now their page they find out they go. Because Rose they delete at that time. Shame. This is the Swagalicious native daughter. How markets Owele Rose? If care is not taken, you will still eat rice for asylum this year. Will come be 2 times when you don't eat asylum rice for Christmas.